Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Roshmi. This is my 44th episode. Today I will show you some cotton silk batik along with Bafta Tasar print. Let's start. This is sari number 1. This material is Bafta Tasar. Price is 3250. This portion with zari stripe is pallu and the entire body is green with this discharge print. The base color is green and then discharge print, and the border and the blouse piece is yellow. This is ochre yellow. Sari number 1, price is 3250. Sari number 2, this is a combination of orange and rani. This portion is aanchal, pallu portion, and the entire body is like this with gun spray and discharge print, orange, rani and brown. See, this is the look of the sari, and the blouse piece is rani. Sari number 2, price 3250. This is Bafta Tasar. Sari number 3. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is pallu portion. It will come in the pallu or aanchal, and the body is like this. Body will be like this. Price 3250. Material Bafta Tasar. Very comfortable material. There are some requests. This is the blouse piece. There are some requests for Bafta Tasar, that's why I am showing you. Next one, blue and green combination. See, this is aanchal or pallu portion. It will come. This is aanchal portion. And the entire body is like this, and the entire body is like this. You can see, this is the look of the sari. Blue and green combination gun spray with color discharge. And the blouse piece is, this is the blouse piece. Sari number 5. This is also a gun spray. This portion is the pallu. This portion is the pallu. Pallu portion, and the body is like this. This is the body. The design will go diagonally. I will show you. This is the body. Half portion will be like this, and as the design goes diagonally, it will be the front portion. Starting of the sari will be like this. And the last one of Bafta Tasar, it is a pastel shade. This is pallu. It will come in the pallu, and the body is, this is the body. Again, the price is 3250. This is the blouse piece. These all are printed Bafta Tasar. Very comfortable material. This is sari number 7. It is the pallu portion. I will show you in this way so that you can easily understand. All the silks are silk mark certified. This is pallu portion. Base color is white with black crack. This is pure black crack, and this is the look of the sari. See, this is the look of the sari. and the price is 3950. Now the discounted price is 3800. This is the look of the sari, entire sari, and the blouse piece is black. This is the blouse piece. Then sari number 8. The color of the sari is midnight blue and the material is very good, pure silk, 3-ply silk, and the price is 3800. 3800 is the discounted price, and all the saris are silk mark certified. See, if I show you in this way, it will be easier for you to understand. This is the pallu portion, and the entire body is like this. This is the body. The color is midnight blue. Both side borders are there. See, this is the border, and the blouse piece is also blue. This is sari number 8. Price 3800. Now sari number 9 with fish motifs. This is pallu. Aanchal portion is this. Base color is peach with black, and see, this is the sari. On the upper part, this white fishes will come, and it will be like this. Peach portion is on the lower part. This is the look of the sari. Price again 3800, and the blouse piece is black with peach border. This is the blouse piece. Then sari number 10, Rani color, Rani with black, very bright one. Those who prefer bright saris, it is mainly for them. I will show you. This is pallu portion. This is pallu, aanchal. It will come in the front. It will come in the front like this way, and the base color is Rani with black crack, and this is Kuchi portion. In the pleats it will come. And the blouse piece is black. Again, blouse piece is black. These all are silk mark certified. Now sari number 11, again red and black. Red and black এর রিকোয়েস্ট ছিল, যারা দেখতে চেয়েছিলে red and black, মেইনলি তাদের জন্যই দেখাচ্ছি. For those who are requesting me for red and black, this is aanchal portion. Very unusual batik. Very unusual. Half portion will be like this, white and black, and the rest half is red. See, it will be like this. Let me show you. The look of the sari will be like this, and the most interesting part is its blouse piece. See, this is the blouse piece of this sari. This is the blouse piece. Price again 3800. 3800 is the discounted price. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. For booking or queries, you can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. This is pallu portion, and the entire sari is like this with the panel design. See, this is the look of the sari. This is aanchal, and the blouse piece is black. We deliver throughout India. Next one is another one with orange and black combination. This is pallu, aanchal portion, and the body is like this with border only, with a border. See, this is lower border, this is lower border, and this is upper border. The blouse piece is, the color of the saree is orange, and this is the blouse piece. Price again 3800. Then comes saree number 14. 14 is mustard yellow. This saree is without black. Very unique design. See, this is pallu portion. Pallu portion, and this design will go diagonally. This design will go diagonally. The entire saree is with these motifs. See, this is the look. Price is 3800. This is aanchal. If you want to book the saree, take a screenshot and you can send it to me, or you can tell me the number in my WhatsApp number. You can call me. My number is 9330866384. We can deliver pan India through courier service. This is red color, rose motifs in red color silk, pallu, and the entire saree with panel design. These sarees are very bright one. This is the look of the saree. Price again 3800. This is aanchal portion, and the blouse piece is also red. This is the blouse piece. See, this is very unique piece. This is upper border. This saree got only the upper border. This is upper border. Okay, and then after completing the upper border, this lower border will come. See, it will be like this. I think I can explain you. This is the look of the saree with the upper border and lower border, and this is the blouse piece. Red color is the blouse piece. Saree number 17. Again, I have to show you the aanchal portion separately. This is pallu portion. This is pallu portion. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends. Subscribe. For the new viewers, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. Half saree with this panel design, and the rest half is with blue with this border, and the blouse piece is also blue. This is the last saree of today's episode. Saree number 18, another printed batik. This design will go diagonally. See, this is aanchal portion, pallu. This color of this silk is pista green, and this design will go diagonally. This is the design. Look of the saree will be like this. This is the aanchal portion, and the blouse piece is also green. This is the blouse piece. Price is again 3800. All the silks and tussars are silk mark certified. Viewers, you have seen my 44th episode. If you like this episode, share with your friends. My phone number is 9330866384. My address is 75 Hindustan Park, Kolkata 29.